So as you can see, currently my logo have two colors. Now first of all, let's change this blue color. So go to image, hover over on adjustments, and here click on replace color. And now just I'm clicking on this first color, and here you can see my color successfully selected. And now if you want, you can change these fuzziness from here, and then click on this color box, and now go ahead and select a different color for your logo, just like so. Click on OK, and here you can see my logo first bird color successfully changed. And now let's change this bird color. So going to image, adjustments, replace color, now selecting this color and clicking on the color box, and now go ahead and select a different color and just click on OK. And this is how we can do it.